Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Walmart Marketplace product data after feed errors, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Walmart Marketplace product data after feed errors, begin by logging into your Walmart Seller Center. Navigate to the Items section from the main dashboard. Select Manage Items to view your current product listings. Identify the specific products that are affected by the feed errors. Check for any notifications or alerts regarding these errors. Document the error messages for reference. Next, access the feed status page to analyze the details of the feed error. Review the error logs to understand the specific issues causing the failures. Make a list of the items with reported errors. Once you've gathered this information, prepare to correct the product data. If needed, download the latest inventory file template from the Seller Center. Open the template and input the correct details for each affected product. Ensure that all mandatory fields are filled accurately. Double-check for compliance with Walmart's data standards and requirements. After making corrections, save your changes in the appropriate format. Return to the Seller Center and go to the Upload section. Upload the corrected product data feed using the Add New Data option. Monitor the upload status closely to confirm processing. After submitting, return to the feed status area to track progress. Once processing is complete, review the status of your uploads. Verify that the product listings are now updated without errors. If errors persist, re-examine the error messages and make additional corrections as necessary. Continuously monitor your item listings. Consider implementing a routine check to keep your data updated regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.